Welcome to Receipt Bank. This is a short video on how to build expense reports within your Receipt Bank account. To begin with, log into your account and you'll be presented with your inbox. What you'll now be able to see are the items submitted by the users on the account. In this particular instance, we have some items from David Beckham and also some items from Romeo Beckham. What we are now going to do is build an expense report based on the top 3 David Beckham receipts. In order to do this, first click on the tick boxes down the left-hand side, as you can see I am doing now. Once selected, you will see that the toolbar just above the inbox becomes active. You will now simply need to click on Add to Expense Report. You'll be presented with the option to either add to an existing expense report, which I'll cover in just a moment, or add to a new report. I'm going to add to a new report right now, so all I'm going to do is tick that box, select who the report is for, which in this case is David Beckham, select the report date, which I'm going to put at the end of the month, and simply click Add. After a couple of seconds, you will see that now at the top of my inbox, I have created an expense report for David Beckham. Once you have created an expense report, you do have the ability to add future items to the expense report. For example, I may want to add this Staples receipt to David's previous expense report. All I'm going to do is simply tick the box to the left of the screen, where you will again see the toolbar at the top of the screen becomes available. I'm going to click Add to Expense Report, where I'll be presented with the next pop-up box, which will already be ticked as existing report. From here, I'm going to simply select the drop-down box, select David Beckham with the correct date, which is the one from the 31st of May, and click Add. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. That Staples receipt is now in my expense report. Now, from here, you may well want to go back and edit the items that you have in the particular expense report. In order to do this, simply click on Expense Report once in your inbox. Here you'll be presented with a list of the items that currently reside in this particular expense report. I'm going to continue focusing on the Staples receipt. In order to edit this receipt, simply click on the item ID presented in the middle of the screen. Here you will be able to then edit the particular item in any manner that you would like to. For example, you may well want to change the category from foodstuffs to something like general expenses. Simple. Now that will be updated in my expense report so that when I go back to the inbox, go back into my expense report, you can now see that it reads general expenses. Once you've completed your expense report for the month, you may well want to either publish it to your accountancy software, in which case you would simply click Publish here, or you may want to move it to the archive for your records, in which case you would simply click the Archive button just to the right. And that's it. How to build expense reports within Receipt Bank. Receipt Bank, saving you time and money.